Hi everyone, welcome back to Startup Tik Hub. In this video, we will talk about Google Play Games Beta. So, first question is, what is Google Play Games Beta? So, Google Play Games Beta is a PC application that lets user play select Android games on Windows, offering sync across devices, keyboard and mouse support and improved performance. It is actually used for those games which is not available in laptop or PC, which are only there for mobile or Android games. So that games can run with through this software on laptop or PC. So in the next step, we will be talk about how to install and download the Google Play Games Beta in your laptop and PC. And what is the minimum requirements for downloading Google Play Beta games? So first of all, open your favorite browser. So I open the Chrome and search for Google Play Games Beta. Click on this and you see the first link, play mobile games on our Windows platform. So click on this and mm, scroll down, and here wait a bit because my internet connection is little bit slow. So scroll down, here you see the minimum requirements for downloading Google Play Beta games. So the minimum window is window 10, here you see, and the minimum storage is required 10 GB, and he recommended the SSD for this, and the minimum processor will be 4 cores. Here you see 4 CPU physical cores, and the minimum RAM is 8 GB, and this requirement, this uh, specification in this time is present in every computer or laptop. So for the downloading, click on download beta and wait a bit. Here your downloading is now start, and it contains 24 MB. So wait for it. After some time it will be download. It is downloading in some seconds. So wait for it, and here you see the downloading is now complete, and click on open. After some loading, the installation process will be start. Wait a bit. Here you see the installation page is now appear, and you can select your own require your desired installation location. So I remain it is. So click on installation and off and click on yes. So after some loading, the installation will be start, and it will be installed in your laptop or PC. So you see this, the installation process is now complete, and it is time to sign in or sign up the Google Play Games Beta. Click on this and wait a bit for seconds. You see the page is now open, and the sign in option you can see here. Click on sign in with Google and wait a bit for a second and choose your specific email for sign in. So I click in on my email for sign in. Click on sign in. So wait a bit. you are signed in, you can safely close this window. This is now appear and I will close the window. Here you see create profile or click on this. So accept, click on accept and click on finish. So my account is now open and here's multiple mobile games is now appear and this my laptop and I can use this all of these games in my laptop. So here you see the mobile games on laptop or PC. So I search for Free Fire. So Free Fire is already available in the Google Play Games beta. Free Fire, Ludo King, My Talking Tom 2, and many games is now available on the Google Play Games beta. Angry Bird. So I want to install my favorite games, Angry Bird. So I install this. So add, click on add, and the installation process will be start in few seconds. So the installation process is now. So it is installation process is now start. You see it is now downloading. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask him in the comment section. Thanks for watching.